most spectators and fans want to see the 100-metre record broken at the Olympics. It's like a big marquee gold flagged type event. And there is a strong relationship between the ability for a muscle to produce a lot of force quickly and the temperature it is at. So if it's a hot environment, the sprint type events or the real explosive events may likely be, you might see some very good performances. It's certainly better than 7 degrees at Manchester or somewhere like that. But of course there's several disclaimers related to that. Once people start getting on the Olympic track, they're probably going to tell you if it's a fast track or not, and that's a really good indication of whether some records are going to be broken at shorter events. Also, we have to consider how COVID has negatively implicated some athletes' preparation. They might not be quite in the shape they want to be come the Olympics, but we've also seen numerous world records broken because athletes have evidently been able to train in a better way. So it'll be really interesting to see just what events are potentially augmented in terms of performance, whilst we know the longer duration events we're not going to see world records or personal bests run.